in the Earthworks way of building ponds, we build it with the 5 major components. So you're going to need a mechanical filtration, which is your skimmer, your biological filtration, which in this one is the biofall, this guy up here. You can't even see it, it's completely hidden, but the biofall is where I have all my filter pads and either lava rock or bio balls, and then that's your biological filtration. So that's number 2. Number 3 is going to be your rocks. You'll see our ponds have fully rocked, or are fully rocked. It's not just for decoration. But basically the rock gives an area for bacteria to colonize on and multiply. It also means that the bacteria can hang out there, so as nutrients are passing it, or fish. You guys see Ricky Bobby here? Yeah, he's smart enough to actually do the pond maintenance. That's what he's doing right now. So yeah, the rocks are the 3rd. There's no particular order I'm doing this in, by the way. Another one, number 4 we'll call it, is the fish. Every pond we put in, right? So every ecosystem works the same way, whether you're doing a pondless waterfall or a pond. But in a pond with a body of water, if you want to maintain a good looking pond like this one, you need to have fish. A lot of customers will ask that, is I'd like to do it without the fish because they feel like that's more maintenance. It is not more maintenance. Fish don't take really anything. Yes, you can feed them, you should feed them, but for having to do anything with them, there's not a lot you actually do with your fish. So, but they are continuously cleaning the pond. They also seed the pond to begin with, so that the bacteria can start forming. All right, so that's your fish, number 4. Number 5 are the plants, okay? So you'll see in this pond, we have one lily that's kind of dormant over there, and then we've got the marginals growing in. The plants are one of the most important. So in a pond that's in more full sun, I always tell people, you need more plants. Plants are the end product of the entire nitrogen cycle. That nitrogen needs to get absorbed by something. If you do not have plants in your pond, algae will flourish, okay? So the more plants you have in your pond, the less algae you will have in your pond, because it's competition. They're the same thing, they're both plants, right? Algae is not a bad thing, it's a plant, and it's doing its purpose. It's filtering out nitrogen in the water, excess amounts of it. So the plants are super important. If you have those 5 major components, and this is what the basis of every one of our ponds has, beyond that, it's kind of pick and choose. You can do different things, and I have a separate video for that. But yeah, the 5 major components are super important for any successful ecosystem. Now, I will tell you from a retail standpoint, we have a lot of customers that build their own ponds that may not do the biological filter. They do a skimmer, they have a waterfall going, and they don't have that. So the 5 major components to a successful pond, what we here at Earthworks believe is a successful pond, are going to be your mechanical filtration, which is usually your skimmer, your biological filtration, the biofall, rocks, plants, and fish.